Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix page isn't available right now. For example, if you are having this kind of error, then I will tell you how you can fix that. As you can see, this kind of error occurring on Instagram. When you open Instagram, then this kind of error shows. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to close the Instagram. After that, you have to press and hold your Instagram and you have to click on app info here. After clicking on app info here, first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on storage and cache and you have to clear the cache. After that, you have to check whether the problem has solved or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for clear the storage here. After that, you have to simply click on force stop here. After doing all the things, the next step you have to do is you have to simply check your internet connection, which means if it is working properly or not. And if it is not working properly, you can change your internet connection, and you can, if you are connected to Wi-Fi, you can also connect your internet to your data connection. After doing so, you have to open Play Store, and after opening the Play Store, you have to simply search for Instagram. After searching the Instagram, you have to check whether it is updated or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Instagram app. After updating the Instagram app and doing all the things, you have to again check whether this problem is occurring again or not. As you can see, this error has gone. Now I am going to log in my Instagram account and check whether the problem has solved or not. As you can see, that problem has been solved. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video and subscribe our channel.